Interesting swings in Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100, both trading contradictory. While we can see an increasing downward pressure in US 100, specifically NASDAQ 100 trading extremely bearish, we can see every rise is getting sold. At the same time, US 30 trying to give it a support, and US 30 trying to trade in a range, trying to get the support from the downside and give you a rally. So this is what the behavior we have seen, and definitely we have profited on the upside. I told you Dow Jones may try to fly till towards 29,350 450 levels. It did, and likewise US 100 has also achieved 11,920 10,920 970 zone. Now what can be expected today, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. The next update on these two indices will be up before the US caches, so do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow. Do watch till the end, do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels. Now let's have a look at hourly charts on US 100. There is no doubt on this that it is trying to trade in this channel. Now this is a bearish channel. The support now at 10,700 is going to be there, very strong support, and if it continues with the drop here, you can sell there at 10,750. Expect 10,700 to get achieved. Now 10,700 is something I will look forward to. If it breaks this, sustain below 10,700 10,680 levels, certainly more bearishness, more downward pressure will be seen on Nasdaq. So yes, below 10,750 certainly more bearishness. Above 10,850 you can expect 10,920. Only about 10,950 and 11,030. If these two levels are taken, you can expect 11,100, and beyond that only bullishness can be seen. Till the time between 750 850 you have to trade with extra caution. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is in green, the RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can find out. See, it is trying to consolidate still, and we have to wait for it to break past 10,850 level. Certainly 10,900. See, it is trying to consolidate, and but look at this, you can find out. Let's see the movement so far. It is trying to give you lower highs, lower lows, consistently trading in this bearish territory. So in between 10,850 10,750, at least let's not take a position. The next support on the downside, it is 10,700 680 zone. The resistance there on the upside at 10,920 10,950 zone. Beyond this, beyond 11,000 only, you can expect that it is going to go bullish. It is going to fly high beyond 11,000 for sure. Do not stay short above 11,000 levels for sure, and do not stay long below 10,700 for sure. This is the 300 points. You have to see which position you should take, but trade with caution. So between 10,750 10,850, do not trade. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic flat. The MACD is in green, it is divergent. RSI is flat there. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see the previous few candles, lower lows and higher highs. Yes, it is trying to achieve this zone at 10,850 870, and then definitely there is a strong resistance there. Beyond that, certainly you can look forward to 10,920 levels. Hence, yes, you have to trade with caution in between 10,750 and 10,850 or 870 levels, you can say. Directional movement is bearish. It is again trying to diverge. Stochastic trading flat. The MACD is divergent here. The MACD is in the green side. We can expect it to continue to diverge. We have to wait for the levels. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see the resistance there at 11,000, very very strong. And now this time you have to wait for 10,950 and 11,000 zone. This is the zone which it has to surpass. Certainly trading above 11,000, consider it for a strong reversal. Hence, do not remain short below 10 or 11,000 levels for sure. Now look at the 4-hour charts. Second green candle trying to trade in this support on the downside, resistance on the upside. Yes, 10,900 920 may give it a very strong resistance. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic in the bottom trying to bounce back. The MACD is trying to converge. It is bearish, extremely bearish. It is trying to converge and cross over for a bullish move. RSI at bottom trying to bounce back a little. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, after this step, after this doji or indecision candle, we have seen a strong bearish candle yesterday with a great or good tail. Now see, this is the first candle after this bearish move. Now at the same time, look at this lower highs, lower lows. support there at 10,700. Below that you can expect more bearishness. This is the first red candle. Second red candle with a stronger tail can be expected. So till the time it trades below 11,000, certainly do not consider this as bullish at all. Only bullish move is above 11,000 levels. Remember this level, 11,000, 11,000, 20, 30. Only above this you can consider this as bullish, else it may achieve the highs here. It can try to achieve the highs, try to form a wick for the day, and then reverse strongly on the downside, give a sharper red candle. Hence 10,900, 920, 950 levels should be a good reversal level. Yes, you can buy there at 10,850, but then expect 10,900, 920, in fact 10,870, 10,900, 920 and 950. These levels you should watch out for. It can reverse any point of time from these levels. Hence you have to be cautious and alert. And only bullish move is above 11,000. Mark these levels also. On the downside, 10,700 is a good, 10,750 is a good level to sell. Expect 10,700, 10,600, 10 and then 10,550 to get achieved. In fact, it can trade below those levels. On the upside, above 11,000, you can expect 11,100, 11,180, and then beyond that, it will fly for 11,300, 400, 500. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss. Trade with the trailing stop loss. Always put your stop loss to cost whenever your trade is in profit, so that in the case of an abrupt or volatile move, your trade closes without any loss, and trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, taking right entries, identifying right support and resistances, you can join my mentorship batch. 16 batch starts on 7th of November. Only limited seats are available and it is completely on first come first serve basis. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Else join my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can profit. Again, you contact me for more details. Else become a patron and support the effort. This is just a minuscule contribution which I am seeking on Patreon, and yes, that is definitely a great motivation for me. So become a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now let's have a look at the hourly charts first. On US30, you can find out. See strong rally, a sharp drop, flat bottom 29,100. It failed to breach past. I will look forward for it to trade below 29,200 again. If it trades below 29,200, certainly we can look forward to 29,120, 100 level. And the next support only below 29,100. You can expect that we are looking forward to another round of good drop. At the same time, you can see lower highs there. So hence you have to wait for 29,320 on the upside. Beyond that, you can buy. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downward. MACD is on the verge of a bearish, and this indicates possibly we may see some little more sell position. Be cautious. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, likewise on the 2-hour charts, you can find out. After retracing a bit, I will wait for it to give you a breakout, and this breakout may be a stronger one. I will wait for it to break past 29,150, 120 and specifically 29,100. Only below 29,100 you can expect that we are looking for another round of bearish move. Then 29,000 the next support, and then 28,900. Below that it is going to drop till towards 28,500 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic trading comfortable. The MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI looking downwards. It is at comfortable zone. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, certainly it is trying to create a channel. Wait for it to break past 29,200. It will call more bearishness, 29,150, 120 and then 29,100. Wait for 29,100. Below that, certainly more bearishness can be seen, and then you can expect 29,000, 28,900, 28,720, 28,500 levels. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD divergent and still in green. It is trading in bullish side. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, you can certainly find, see, there is a strong pullback on the downside here. At the same time, there is a tail here. Now this candle is indecisive as of now. It is trying to trade with higher highs, higher lows, failing to go past 29,300. Certainly a stronger resistance. Only and only if it trades below 29,200, you can expect more bearishness than 29,150, 120. Below 29,100, certainly you can remain short and you can expect a larger or stronger drop. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is again looking downwards. The MACD has crossed over here on the 4-hour charts. This is interesting. This is a bullish crossover, the next candle will decide the fate of this movement, possibly a greener sharp move taking it above 29,300. Certainly you can buy there. RSI trading flat. And now look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts here. Previous two candles, you can find out lower lows, higher highs. See, yesterday it went till towards close to 29,600. On the downside, 29,900, 700 points of move. It indicates the pivot right now is at around, you can say, 29,250 level. So yes, below 29,250 certainly more bearishness is seen, and specifically below 29,200 you can sell. You can expect 29,120, 100. If it drops below 29,100, you can expect a stronger drop for 29,000, 28,900, 28,720 is the support, and below that we can see it dropping for 28,500 levels also. Be careful there on the downside. On the upside, buy at about 29,320, expect it to rise for 29,400, 29,500, and in fact 29,600 levels can be seen again. Beyond that, it will fly high. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic is trading at bottom. MACD is in green. RSI comfortable. Considering this, above 29,300, 320 zone, certainly you can remain bullish on Dow Jones, and you can expect it to rise more. We can again see on chart 29,600 plus levels. And trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Remember, PPI data from US and FOMC minutes from Fed will bring volatility. You have to trade with a strict stop loss at cost. Trade accordingly, trade profitably. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.